This is the Cebu-Cordoba Link Expressway, the longest bridge in the Philippines. Tandaan po ninyo, pag ang isang project is not being managed by a corrupt government, it can withstand typhoon, it can withstand earthquake. By the way, this bridge was opened during the incumbency of President Rudy Roa Duterte. Kami na mga taxpayers, hindi kami masasaktan sapagkat ang bridge na to ay nakakatulong sa lahat ng mga Cebuanon and neighboring islands. So, tandaan natin, pag isang proyekto ay hindi ginagamitan ng mga substandard and it's not being implemented by a thieves and corrupt government, talagang maganda ang benefits na maibibigay sa mga Cebuanon. And this bridge is a symbol of Cebuanos' resiliency, strength, power, yet humility, dahil maraming tumutulong sa Cebuanos ngayon. God bless us all. Bangon, Sugbo!